Right, today we're going to bring a steel griddle, and this is a VEVOR griddle. It comes with two sides. We have the grill one with the actual lines, and then we actually have with the grill lines, and the other end is a little flat. So you guys can see, it has two handles in here. Of course, even after it's hot, I wouldn't handle this because the heat pretty much travels everywhere. It has a hanging spot if you have something that can hang this. This is pretty heavy, so I wouldn't recommend the hanging on any drywalls or anything like that. The two handles are so you won't tilt it either way, or if you want to drip some oils or anything on the side. To cure this, recommendation, olive oil on it. It gives it a good flavor. If you're gonna pre-use it, make sure you prepare this first, all right? And a lot of people like to smoke it and so forth. But even after you wash it, you want to make sure you put oil on it and maybe clean it up with a little bit of oil, because you don't want it to get rusty. And this is steel metal, so I like it. We're going to use it to prepare some food on it and see how well it works. But preparing it first is the first rule you have to do. All right, like I said, olive oil, spread it all around, all right? Avocado oil can work too, olive oil, anything you want to flavor, but I would recommend you olive oil because it gives it a little bit more flavor too. So just make sure you burn it out. All right, cooking this thing in my griddle. Lots of meat. It's gonna spread out. It's gonna give it some juice. Prior to using it, like I said, prepare this. Now we're ready to cook. See how the results show. So let's come back again. It's ready, but check it out. It's gonna take some time. I'm gonna put my noodles and mix them up and do some really good Pam noodles mixed with fried noodles, a little fried noodles. I like them a little soggy, and then I put the fry, makes it good. So the griddle's working very well after grilling for quite a while. I like it. You could do your pancakes in the morning. You put this over the fire pretty much anywhere to prepare it. Like I said, prepare it before you use it, both sides. The other side is more like a griddle pan, so you can see your meats and steaks and so forth. But this is more like a mixture when I do your pastas and you mix it with your meats, and you also make any kind of plates that require a long pan. Like fried rice is my favorite. This is gonna be used a lot. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.